Hey guys, Bama Motors here. Doug, I I had to grab the camera, and I had to show you all this. I'm working on a Generac pressure washer that was gave to me. It's a 7.8 horse, almost 8 horse. Tecumseh, world's hated motor, and I hate them. It fire up on starter fluid. It fires off. I put a little bit of gas in the tank because I saw it was shut off. I said, well, great. Maybe the drain the gas out of the carburetor. Maybe I'll luck out. I ain't got to do anything. Well, it wasn't prime. I said, well, I guess I'm going to have to get down and dirty. And guess what? Look at there, boys. Ain't that yummy? That's real yummy. So, I'm going to have to take this carburetor all the way off. And I ain't got no ultrasound cleaner. And I hope I can get it cleaned up and get it running. Because if this pump's no good, I'm pulling that pump off and I'm going to put that motor on something. That's for sure. So I just want to holler at y'all, let y'all know what was going on in the shop. I got plans for this motor if that pump is bad. If that pump is bad, I got plans for that motor. And I'm going to turn you all around here. Alright, this is what's going on so far. I went and see my radiologist. Today's the 1st of April. Next Tuesday, I'm going to go see them again, doing a CT scan, and I'm getting my mass made up again. Doing 5 rounds of radiation. 1 point in here, right here. They're doing 1 concentration. One side effect of that. See, you got an aorta valve, your aorta vein, your main vein comes up through here. Alright? When the tumor is wrapped around that vein, chances are that I'll end up getting a hole in the vein. And that's your main supply, guys. This is a life-death situation. So, but mine wasn't wrapped around the main vein. And the doctor said it's a real down in the teens percentage of happening. So, throw up those prayers, guys, that I make it through this. Which I will. God's got it. He ain't done with me yet. That's for sure. So that's the situation. When I start my radiation, it'll be like, well, I gotta be there Tuesday, so maybe Wednesday, start Wednesday, Friday, go back Monday, Tuesday, and Friday, and that'll be it of the radiation. And then I had to wait a little bit, and then I had to get a PET scan done and make sure everything's gone. So that's the situation. That's what's going on. I got a lot of big plans for this summer. I want to do another mower build, but I want to build a racing one. As y'all noticed, that I've been going to these mower races. and I want to build a racing one. Not like the ones they got. Mine's going to be sitting lower. I'll probably have the big tires on the back, but it's going to be sitting lower. And I got a motor right here for it. So, or I'm going to use this motor with a live axle. And then I'll be classified as a modified. And if I do get classified as a modified, I'm going all out. I mean, I'm going all out. So, y'all pray for me. Everything comes out all right. Everything goes good. And I appreciate y'all very much. And I want y'all to do me a favor. There's an old boy called Mudster. His views on his videos are outrageous, 3,000, 4,000, 2,000. But he don't have the subscribers, guys. He's an excellent fabricator, driver. He's in the mud motor community, small engine community. He's all the time there for us, guys. So, I want to hit him up, and I'll put a link to his channel. Y'all check him out, and give him a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to his channel. He's a good old boy. Appreciate y'all. God love you. Bye.